Hey everyone, today we're talking about this DJI Mic Mini. Look at this thing. I just bought this thing a couple of days ago on a whim, and I am really impressed. Look at this thing. It comes with great microphone on it, has an 8-hour runtime, which wow, I'm amazed at that 8-hour runtime. Comes in this great packaging, what you're going to need. And it was $35. Can you believe that? $35. Comes in this nice little carrying case, which you're going to need because this thing is so tiny. If you don't use a carrying case, you're going to lose it. Has the wind. Oh gosh, I forget what that thing's called. Oh, the windscreen. Has a windscreen. There you go. There's the actual microphone. Look at that itself. It has a magnetic backing on it. Has a clip. Magnetic backing on it, and you can snap it on, snap it off, and you put the magnet inside your shirt if you want to put it not on your collar, if you want to put it lower in the shirt. There's the charging base for it. Look at that, it's so tiny, and it's for $35. Can you believe it? On off switch, which is great. Turn on the Bluetooth. You get your little green and blue flashing when it's searching for the Bluetooth. And that Bluetooth is probably my favorite feature, because I can plug it into my phone and just go directly through my phone without having to use an adapter. There it is. I have it plugged in and charging. And again, it was only $35. And how does it sound? There I am connecting it to my phone. Got it there. Recognizes it. DJI Mic Mini. And I pair it, and off we go. And so coming up, the second half of this video is me speaking live using this DJI Mic Mini microphone. So let me know what you think for $35. It's awesome. Let's see if this is working. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? There, how's that? Can you actually hear me? I had to go back and see if this is actually working. First time trying it, first time plugging it in. I've never used one before, so this is brand new for me. Connecting it to my phone using the DJI Mic Mini. So hopefully it's working pretty good. So let me do a little bit of sound check here, see how well that's working. Yeah, well, let's see, what should I talk about? I've been thinking about getting one of these. I tried a cheap brand 2 years ago, and I was unprepared. Took it to Paris, tried putting it in. Did not work very well, so I was very disappointed, and I hated it because it came with an adapter that I had to put on my phone. And I tried using it at the last minute. Had never practiced with it before going to Paris. I tried using it there, and I ended up totally messing up on the audio because I was totally unprepared for it. See, this comes with a couple of windscreens. Look at that. Black one and a gray one. How cute. Look at this. Boop, 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 boop. This one would match my shirt right now. Look at that. Got my black t-shirt on. Be a nice camouflage. But anyway, so I used that one in Paris. It was absolute disaster. Absolute disaster. Nice thing with this, I actually use Bluetooth to connect to my phone. And I'm assuming that, if I get other devices later, that it will connect to those as well. And how cute is this? I mean, look at this little charger. It's so cute. It's so amazing, so cute. The problem is, it's so small. We might end up losing it. So I got Make sure to keep it in a carrying case at all time. I like this carrying case, by the way. This is a pretty nice little carrying case that it came with. And what was it? It was $35? Incredible. It's crazy. Crazy cheap. I just got one because it's really just me using microphone most of the time. And I have problems with sometimes being outside, get a lot of wind noise, a lot of background noise. And if I ever zoom in on something, then I lose the audio because I haven't adjusted the features on my phone with the zoom. And so it tries to zoom in on the audio, and I haven't turned that feature off. And so I inevitably end up messing up the audio anytime I zoom in. But look at this. Nice and tiny. It's cute. It's small. I love it. We have to do some more testing with it. I'm going to go outside and do some testing with it and see how it works. And I hope you like it. So far, I love it.